Hi, my name is Katie and welcome to my channel. I am a travel agent that specializes in Disney and theme park vacations, although I can help you travel anywhere. Today we are at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort in a standard room, and I am here to show you a full in-depth room tour of this room. If you're interested in more information about the resort as a whole, I have a tour of that as well, and I will link that here. All right, let's take a hotel room tour. So first of all, let's start with the door. You've got your deadbolt and this sort of lock. Got your emergency information, peephole, typical door, and you can open this door with a magic band, your Disney app, or a key card. First up, we have the window here. So you have exterior hallways in this room, and this entire hotel features exterior hallways. It is dark, so you cannot see out this window, but you've got a window there that opens onto the exterior hallway, and you're basically just looking at grass and trees and whatnot. You've got the blackout curtain here, as well as the sheer curtain. Then we have an adjustable thermostat. So that's what we're looking at here. And of course we have this vinyl flooring throughout, which is very nice. Easy to clean. Then we have the little food station here. So we've got some storage here. We have got the pod coffee maker, some 50th anniversary Joffrey's blend. So it's the little pod kind, not K-cups. Ice bucket, plug here, and this light. The drawer, you've got all your coffee fixins. Some green tea, decaf, and of course you can request this to be refilled with housekeeping. Look at the Mickeys on the cup. So cute. And then just some standard plastic cups too. Then we have the mini fridge beverage cooler. Details on that. It does not get as cold as your refrigerator at home, but it does the job. Pivoting here, there is a trash can in the midst of all of my belongings. Then you have a light here. Moving on, we have the TV that will welcome your family. I absolutely love that. And it's the upgraded TVs they've gotten in the past few years. You've got this whole landing space countertop with the USB plugs. You've got your remote, you've got your guide to the magic. It's got some info here, and of course there are several TV channels that will tell you all about Disney World while you're here. Now we have got a safe. Definitely fit some laptops in there. A Bible and 2 extra pillows and some shelving. That up. Got 3 drawers. I do like how much storage you've got going on here. Oop. Close that up. Oop. Okay. So that's the storage cabinet. Got some space here to put maybe some luggage and whatnot. Hanging rack here. That's great to have. Let's just do a pivot here. All right. So now we have the solid bed. Now, first of all, I love that you've got under bed storage space here that you can put your suitcases. It's fantastic. These rooms, are not huge. They're a decent size, but they're not huge. And storage, especially when you're at Disney with a family, and if you have 4 people in this room, storage is the key. We've got the bed, 4 pillows there. It's really cute Mickey artwork with these lights on either side of the bed. Controlled here. More USB and plugs, and a cubby with top, even some space underneath that cubby. Love that. Same over here on this side. Got your phone. Now, did you know you can use this phone to set up wake-up calls from Mickey. That is super fun. Also does all the things a regular phone does. More lights and plugs here. Now I will note, when we pull this down into a bed, you're just gonna have one of these on this side. So you have 1, 2, 3, but you could be sleeping 4 people. Not a big deal, just something to mention. And then here's the table, and this does pull into a Murphy bed, and I will show that. But there's the table. And these are some pretty hefty chairs. You've got the decor for the 3 all-star properties, sports, movies, and music. I like that. The rooms at movies and music are both like this, and sports is being transitioned into these rooms as well at this time. So the rooms are the same at all 3 of the all-star resorts once the transition and remodel is done over at sports. Got another cubby, more plugs, a room occupied sign, seating for 2. Let's do a 360 here. And let's take a look at the bathroom. So first up, you've got this sliding barn door, which is, you know, pros and cons on the sliding barn door. One pro is that this blocks sound a lot. So if you're trying to take a shower or get ready in the morning while other people are sleeping, you have a little bit of some sound barrier. I also know some people will set up a pack and play crib in here, so it's good for nap time. Close the door. Stepping into the bathroom, we've got more storage under here and here. It's got tissues. We have an iron and a hair dryer, extra and storage. Got the full ironing board here. And of course it is a sink. Mirror up top there. We've got this mirror here. You know, comes out, does the magnifying thing, has a light. It's a nice makeup mirror. Plugs here. We've got the H2O product hand soap. Got all of that going on. And then you have this small closet area, more storage up top. And then we pivot and we have the water closet. So this is another sliding door here. And you've got your full length mirror on this door. That is nice to have. This does lock. There's no way to lock this barn door, but this does lock. We've got the commode, towels, double towel rack, more towel rack over here, and some hooks. Then we have the glass door shower. I like the glass door shower because it's very clean, but you don't get the cute like character curtain that you have in some similarly styled Disney hotel rooms. And you've got this situation, which I feel like if you're bathing a little one in here, then you have to sit on this, and that's not comfortable. But it is very clean looking. You have in-shower amenities. Little cubby there. Tub. It's the shower head you're working with. And then that pulls across and is a clothesline. Hooks in there. Perfect for when you're using the pool or get caught in an Orlando rainstorm. So the full-on tub. And we're out. Now keep in mind this is a standard room. There are ADA style rooms that would have a different bathroom that would be accessible for those in a wheelchair or any other accessibility concerns. All right, now let's take a look at this Murphy bed. So here's the Murphy bed. It starts out as a table, and we're gonna flip it into a bed. So the only annoying thing about this is that you do have to have somewhere to put these chairs, which this spot over here would probably be a good area where there's nothing, it's like just a little empty corner, so that would be good. Let me pull this down. That was super easy. one person, one-handed. You've got a light here that goes on and off. Super cute Huey, Dewey, and Louie artwork. They are at All-Star Sports, Movies, and Music, and we're here at Movies. This is perfectly comfy. You've got the extra pillows that we saw over on this bed, and you've got 2 more in the cabinet. And let's see how easy it is to put it back up. That is super easy. This is a very nice feature if you are looking for a budget room, sleeping a family of 4, and you want some extra floor space. It's really nice not to have to deal with the bed during the day. Gives you a lot of extra floor space, and it's easy up, easy down. Take one more look around this room. I'm going to tell you how I felt after my stay there. I enjoyed my stay in this room. I like that the Murphy bed gives you the extra space. We were 2 adults staying in this room and had plenty of space. I like all the storage here. The room was clean, it was comfortable, it had all of the basics that I needed, had that coffee maker, that mini fridge, and all the other general basics. This room has no frills. There's nothing fancy or extra about this room, but this is a value room. So for the price point, you are paying to be on Disney property at a Disney hotel, and this is the best price point you're gonna get, and I am happy with that. The biggest pros for me about this room is the abundance of plugs and USB ports, the flexibility that the Murphy bed gives you for floor space and a table, and the split bath that allows 2 people to get ready at once with ease. The one negative thing about this room is the location. Being a standard room, it is located in the buildings furthest away from the main building, and it can be a little bit of a walk. I will say that the location here, because of the layout of the resort, it's not as far away from the main building to the furthest away building at Movies here as it is at Music. At Music, I really recommend an upgrade to Preferred. Here, it's more of just a nice to have, or certainly if you have any sort of mobility concerns, you need to go with a Preferred room. In the grand scheme of a Walt Disney World vacation, that nightly upcharge to a Preferred room is relatively minor, so if that is something that's really going to make or break your experience, absolutely go for the Preferred room. I recommend this room for anyone on a strict budget and for families, particularly families with younger children. I think they will enjoy the theming more, and if you had 4 adults in this room or a family of 4 or 5 where the kids are preteens or teens, it might get a little bit tight in here. This is also a great room option for people who are just going to sleep and shower in their room and rope drop to park clothes every day. At that point, you don't need to spend a lot of money on your room, and this is going to be perfectly adequate for you. I hope you found that tour helpful. If you're looking to stay at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort or any other Disney World resort or travel anywhere else, I'd love to be your travel agent. Please contact me at the information on your screen. I hope this was helpful and have a magical vacation.